Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add blog to Wix website. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below. So guys, here on the Wix, just simply go ahead and click on all sites at the top. And from here, just simply select your site. So now, once you have selected your site, just simply go ahead and click on design site at the top right over here, guys. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on the plus button over here or the add elements. So click on this. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here blog. So just simply click on the blog. And from here, just simply go ahead and start a blog by just simply clicking on add to a site. And just simply wait for it to load. And now from here, guys, you will have here multiple category. So first is write a post. And now from here, I'm gonna go for AI, this one, and click on next. So guys, from here, just simply provide the necessary information in order for you to create a blog site, and click on create post. So guys, I used AI to help me build this page up. From here, as you can see, AI helped me create this post. And from here, you can just simply erase or replace some words that you don't like. And now on the left side of the screen, you can just simply go ahead and create a new title or add images. And guys, remember to click on save over here at the top and also click on publish. And from here, click on maybe later. And after that, you should be able to see here all of the blog posts that you did. And you can create a new post if you prefer. And that's simply about it. Just simply edit your blog post based on your brand. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And I hope this video helped you understand more about Wix. Thanks for watching.